Okay, guys, I am doing a timing chain on a 2006 Nissan Frontier 4.0 liter V6. Um, Customer complained that when he started the engine up, it would rattle. He would hear rattling noise. Um, this is the cause of your rattling noise. This is the secondary timing chain uh, tensioner or guy. Well, this is the guy, and of course, this is the tensioner because it goes up and down. But as you can see, look at that. The chain is rubbing against the tensioner, and that's what is making your rattling noise. If you have this truck over, I say 100,000 or 150,000 mile, and you start hearing this noise, this is what's happening. That this plastic guy, it's all worn out, and the chain is rubbing on the metal piece of the plunger of the secondary tensioner. So I'm doing a timing chain, and I just want to share this information with you guys. If you guys take it to the dealership, they're gonna charge you so much money, thousands of dollars, trying to fix it, and maybe charge you at least $300-400 to diagnose the issue. But yeah, this is the issue. I took the tensioner, the secondary tensioner off. There's a video that a guy made of how to take this off. Sometimes you can just replace this plastic piece, but look at that. You can't. I'm not gonna just replace this plastic piece. I'm gonna replace the whole thing. But there's another video of how you would take this off. Just look up the secondary tensioner guy, or tensioner secondary chain tensioner removal, and it will show you how to do it. The guy that was showing how to do it was on the driver's passenger side, excuse me, but this is on the driver's side. But it's basically the same. It's got two hex bolt that you got to take out, and of course when you take it out, just make sure you put everything back with the O-rings and you know everything, and make sure you don't throw the old parts away until you get the new parts and replace it. But yeah, this is the issue of why the engine was rattling so bad, and if you don't fix it, your engine's gonna really have a catastrophic failure. Look at this. That's a poor design. I think Nissan upgraded the tensioner guy, but you might as well just replace the whole thing. I ordered the whole kit from eBay for like $100. You go to the dealership, they're gonna charge you probably maybe $400-500 for the new parts. Of course, dealership is always expensive, but yeah, I just want to share this information with you. Don't even take it to have the diagnose or anything, because this is the issue. So I guess it's just poor design by Nissan, for this type of engine. I prefer timing belt better than the timing chain, but it does have its good and bad, on timing chain, timing belt. But to me, I prefer timing belt. But okay, hope this helped. Have a good night.